Vice Mayor, the Honorable Vice Mayor Junbi Bantuk, to the distinguished members of the City Council, of course, once more, my fellow environmental advocate in the City of Victorias and in the Sangguniang Panlungsod, the Honorable Teresita Niti Santa Ana, the Honorable Georgie Laraga, the Honorable Warito Undar, the Honorable Dexter Sinido, the Honorable Odi Malaga, the Honorable Danilo Diasis Jr., the Honorable Eric Alcubilla, the Honorable Francis Frederick Derek Palanca, the Honorable Dailin Tornea Hofilenia, the Honorable Hermie Milan, and the Honorable Tricia May Mahan. To our dear department heads, to the members of the Academe who are here with us this morning, of course headed by Dr. Portia Mallorca, to our men and women in uniform, our members of the senior citizens, our dear fellow government servants, mayong agagid sa inyo tanan. On behalf of the City Government of Victorias, of course, headed by the Honorable Javier Miguel L. Benitez, I would like to welcome everyone to the opening ceremony of the 2024 Environment Week celebration. This is by virtue of a recently amended City Ordinance number 06 series of 2009, which sets the schedule of the holding of the Environment Week celebration from the 4th week to the 1st week of June of every year in the City of Victorias. This is to coincide with the celebration of the World Environment Day celebration established by the United Nations, and also of course to coincide with the global observance and awareness advocacy for environmental issues. I would like to grab this opportunity to remind everyone, to remind ourselves of our individual duty and responsibility to care for our environment. The little things that we can do is very important, and we do this not just for ourselves or for the present generation, but for the future generation and for our children's children. The little things that we can do, like collecting bottled water, segregating and gathering our garbage and waste materials, planting and growing and not cutting trees, are those little things that we can easily do in our own little ways, but have great impact in the preservation and protection of the environment. I am quite happy with the lined activities that have been scheduled by the Environment Week Committee in the next 5 days, and I would like to highlight 3 of the most, to me, significant activities that we are holding. Today is the first day of the implementation of the executive order issued by the Honorable Javier Miguel L. Benitez relative to the banning of the use of single-use plastics in all government edifices, in all government offices, and I think that includes our schools. And I would like to appreciate the efforts of Ma'am Portia Mallorca. And also I'm happy to tell you that VMC have also signified its willingness to implement the same policy in all offices of the Victorias Milling Company. And that second activity that have been lined up for us this week is also, of course, the campaign of the city for urban greening. We will start off today with the tree planting of fruit-bearing trees and ornamental trees at the Victorias City Command and Evacuation Center. And finally, on Wednesday, we are going to hold a river cleanup in the 2 bridges of Madanlog located in Barangay 21. The first is along the highway, and the second is in the 1907 bridge of Madanlog Bridge going to Seferina Beach Resort. And we will take this very seriously. In fact, this activity is going to be spearheaded with Vicendro, by the PNP, by VMC, and by my office. And as for the Sangguniang Panlungsod, of Victorias, particularly the Committee on Natural Resources, Environmental Protection, and Ecology, on top of the 3 already effective ordinances that the Sangguniang Panlungsod have enacted, namely number 1, of course, there is the creation and establishment of the Gawahon Ecological Park Development and Management, which is designed to protect the ecology in Gawahon and of course to restore the already damaged ecosystem within Gawahon area. Number 2, we have enacted an ordinance that bans the use of single-use straw in the city of Victorias in all restaurants and in all business establishments. And as a result, we cannot see any establishments in the BCC selling straws. And lastly, on the 3rd, previously enacted ordinances is of course the creation of the sewerage and septage management system in the city of Victorias. This is to ensure clean and potable water, especially in the rural areas where the digging of wells for deep and shallow wells is very prevalent. And I'm very excited to report to you that the 2 other major environmental measures that the Sangguniang Panlungsod have enacted in the recent time is number 1, an ordinance that institutionalizes the environment criteria requirement for the procurement of goods, services, and infrastructures in the city of Victorias. It means that all end users are required to pass at least 3 environmental requirements in order for them to successfully make their procurement with BAC. That's why I would like to remind the members of the BAC to please religiously observe the provisions of that said ordinance. And of course, finally, and I would like to request our VCIO to make the postings on the ordinance that declares Malihaw River as an important cultural property of the city of Victorias and regulating the conservation, preservation, and protection of our historic Malihaw River. So these are the things that we have been doing in the Sangguniang Panlungsod, and I would like to thank our Vice Mayor as our presiding officer and all the members of the City Council for their support and commitment to the environment. And in conclusion, I know this is kind of funny, but again, I would like to request everyone to please renew and take your oath in a pledge for the environment that I would like to administer to everyone today. With this, we are ensure of our commitment to protect and care and stand for the environment. So may I ask everyone to please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Thank you. Panunumpa sa kalikasan. Ako, bilang isang Pilipino, ay nangangakong gagawin ang lahat upang ingatan at pangalagaan ang aking kapaligiran. Magtatapon ako ng basura sa mga tamang lugar lamang, pahahalagahan ang angkop na pamamaraan ng paghihiwalay at muling paggamit nito. Ako ay magtatanim ng mga puno upang mapayabong ang kagubatan at tutulong upang mapanatiling buhay ang mga ilog. Kaya't bilang tagapangalaga, ituturing ko ang bawat araw bilang isang pagkakataon para ipakita ang pagmamahal sa kalikasan ng aking bayan. Thank you very much. Have a good day everyone and happy Environment Week celebration. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Councilor Acuña, for your words of welcome and for